I just bought this 2005 Acura TL. Pretty clapped out, but I bought it for the poor man's mid-engine race car.
I'm coming up only to hold you under. I'm coming up only to show you wrong, and to know you is hard. We wonder, and to know you all wrong we were. Baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, I shouldn't have let you go, 'cause now you're out of sight, yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me baby, 'cause I need to know now. Oh, because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Baby, the reason I breathe is you. Boy, you got me blinded. Oh pretty baby, there's nothing that I won't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you will be here and give me a sign? Hear me, baby, one more time.
Caught you sniffing my boxers. Who the fuck does that at Red Lobster? Creepy, like when Tom Cruise laughs. That's how your finger felt in my ass. I'm gonna come to your house on the back of a horse with a bunch of villagers carrying torches, most of whom dislike monsters like you, girl. The way your kisses tasted skeeved me the hell out like shitting naked. Why would I wanna stay friends? Rather get raped by clowns again. I'm gonna come to your house on the back of a horse with